everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a cool frame in Canva using a simple app. First, just open your designs and then just go to apps and then just search for the Max Pro like this. This one, just click on it and then open. And then just upload or choose your file. Like this, and then once your image is ready, Max Pro will show a different frames options over here, and then now just simply pick a frames that you like, for example like this. Just choose one that you love. You have many options over here like this, and then you can also adjust the size like this to make it until it looks perfect like this. And after that, after you're happy with the designs, just click on add to designs like this. You have just created a cool frame in Canva in just a few taps. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.